What's up, guys? It's Kazzy, and we're gonna go see a waterfall. We're adventuring. Hold up. Okay. Out of water. Those two lovebirds over there. Is he gonna take a piss?
It got steep there for a second, huh?
I'm gonna go down there. Let's go. Let's go down here, kid. Come on. Come with me, kid. You're good. Watch out for any poison ivies that could just fucking hit. Don't go to that direction. I pulled the fucking stem out.
Justin, come up here.
Justin, he's taking a piss. Look at that fucking trail.
Oh my God.
Do a pull up on it.
Can't do it.
You stuck? You about to chase her? Oh shit, you coming? Oh, who's coming? Oh, dust her ass. Oh my God, this is bad. How the fuck did you... Bruh. Follow the track, eh? Come outside, come on. He's trying to pick up a fucking log. I think he went this way, yeah. Oh, what the fuck? It's just pure water.
What?
How'd you get up here?
No, it's this way. Because look, after that bridge, there's a path following up to here. This is the path.
Come on, Kay, get up.
Have a little fun in the nature. Come on.
Here, get my camera. Hold my camera real quick. I want you to record me getting up. It's gonna be such a fucking show. Keep it on the screen. What's up? Alright. Well, which way? Do you know which way you went through?
Huh?
You know which way you went through?
I just went over.
Come on, Kay. Oh shit.
Look, for you to get around easier, here, step up on this. You're okay. These rocks are not going anywhere.
These rocks have been erosioned here for such a long time.
These rocks weigh more than all four of us combined.
Oh, what if I step on this over there?
That's what I did.
They have a hike stick too. Fuck yeah.
Oh, this shit is wet. You got it, Kay. There you go.
Bro,
Boom.
we're like off-roading right now.
This is actually kind of fun. We're like basically skinwalker
You want
hunting.
to catch some crawfish?
No.
Look at this fucking pirate right here with the fucking stick.
Right
Justin,
under
this
this
goes
rock.
nowhere.
Nothing's there, shitbag. Is there something there? You want to lift up the rock?
Can we drink this water?
Not this. It's just
Yes or no?
the shit that's running down, yeah.
All right, Kay. Here's the jump.
Babe, give up my key and my phone, please. Bro.
Before you step, you also.
Oh, fuck.
Slipped on my Crocs. I don't soft on.
Crawfish.
Oh, for sure. Bro, we're in fucking North Carolina.
Stick's not big or strong enough. It's gonna snap.
All right, move with it somewhere. Oh, shit.
Hey, where's my phone?
I have it.
Okay.
Bro, it looks like we're fucking Slenderman hunting, bro. Look at this shit. I want to go hunting, bro.
Die. What did it say? Croc?
Where?
Creek? What does this say? Creek?
So we have to keep moving forward. Look at the oh,
Guys, what if we get lost?
there's literally a trail right up here.
Hey, you don't get lost.
Out in the woods.
Gonna get lost.
About to get fucking lost, because why not? But, I'm gonna post this on YouTube because I'm bored. I want to go. It's like basically Kazzy goes in the woods, you know? Okay, you gotta show your own YouTube channel and do shit, bro.
Hey, y'all never heard the bear saying? If it's black, fight back. If it's brown, lay down. If it's white, say goodbye for your life.
Okay, yeah. Kaylin. Polar.
I thought the white bears were nice and fluffy.
Polar
Kaylin.
bears? Fuck no. They're the most...
We're out in the wilderness with you know who. Kazzy Tries Food, the #1 guest on our show.
Yes.
You survived that one episode with just a bag of Takis with soy sauce in that bitch.
Oh, yeah.
How was your experience?
It was traumatizing a little bit. Like, even though I didn't, like, end up to shit, it still hurt.
He has a point. Kazzy Tries Food is like the
We're
#1
still
show.
going?
Yeah, okay, come on.
It's a 700 miles.
Okay, we're not gonna go 700 miles, all right? We're gonna keep going for a little bit. Oh, the hikers, look. We're okie dokie.
We're not hikers, but we're not hikers.
Actually, it was...
We're all wearing Crocs or we're all wearing... Look how the... You gotta turn around because you heard them steps getting louder and louder and louder. Motherfucker.
Justin Mike O'Brien.
We're literally back at spawn. This is our resting place. We can rest here for a little bit.
A joint would fit.
Yeah, tell me about it.
It really would. You want to see if we can try to cross over there?
That's what I was thinking. Crossing.
Theoretically, right?
Just throw something across, to be honest, when the shallow end.
We could go off that bridge. Like, if we probably won't make it. Yeah,
Sounds like one.
that's our cue.
The water starts pouring down and things start drowning.
It's over there. Follow the trail.
Now when I go, it's like it's 720 miles.
You want to go over there? Try to go over there.
I don't know how you can.
Anything under it?
Okay, watch out. Nice eye.
Perfect.
You think you can shimmy your way through there?
Yay. That didn't do shit.
I think it's gonna sink. Yeah, because how wet it is now, it's gonna sink.
Oh, it's not going to sink. It's just...
If we stand on it, yes, it's gonna bring us down.
Oh, yeah, for sure. It's not going to help us with a bridge. I just wanted to do
Wait, look at that end right there. You see how there's grass? Or is that not land? It's probably not land, it's probably just leaves.
it. Oh, yeah, it's not raining.
Oh, look over there. Look, there's a shore end over there. Where the. I thought we could just keep walking. Hey, come on. You hear that? Just nature, we gotta go. Show the viewers what's a nature blunt.
Alright.
Yeah.
So, you pack that thing up with all your nature weed. Your nature weed's anywhere. You just have to, and if anything with nature, you don't have to grind it up. You just roll that shit. Put that shit up in there. Pack
have
it.
a lighter.
Pack that shit up in there.
Why are you showing his dick?
Sorry.
Take the
Over
excess.
there.
Take the excess off. And then
Unzoom it.
I don't think it will mold. but you could still smoke it as long as you hold it together.
With what? With what lighter, buddy?
Nature lighter.
Great.
You take
A tree and a rock.
right there. I'll show y'all. If you were homeless and in the woods and you're getting primitive, you gotta do. If you want to get off that Zaza,
Does it work?
it's sitting.
What the fuck?
It's out.
Justin. Child support.
Child support.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna be needing that. Who said me and her were getting a divorce?
True.
No divorce happening here.
I'm taking all the money anyway.
We're not divorcing, nigga.
Well, I'm saying either way, I'm taking all the money.
This is outrageous. This is outrageous. Justin, you know what we need to do? We need to roll down that fucking hill.
Oh my god, that'd be so funny.
Ask me what a tree
To roll down this hill. I want to roll down it. Who's gonna go first? Look at this. The sensation of the grass. Nature's beautiful. Come on.
You're gonna roll.
Hell no, I'm too fat.
Come on, bro. If you do, I'll do it.
You do it first.
You do it first.
How do you do it?
All right.
It was
Me
your
and Ryan
idea.
used to do this all the time.
To be fair, it's your idea.
True.
I'm gonna fucking shit my pants.
Bro, if you hit a tree, I'm gonna cry.
Bro, that's lame. You gotta.
Why didn't you go down?
But. Let me show him how this shit's done. Take my mic.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh shit!
He actually ran? He ran? I bet. Nah, watch this. Bring the camera to me. Bring the camera to me. Come here. Alright, you want to run and do that? Watch this bitch. Yes, sir.
Bro, you guys are so stupid.
It's working. It's crap.
I fucked it up so bad.
Oh my god, she said that to me. In that video. Oh, and I want the video of the log too. Damn, I'm tired.
Hey.